day was schooled. We went to get out of traffic. Currently it's Holbrook Beach. I'm ready for the beach, bro. I can't film because there's so many goddamn people. Like it's actually sad, bro. How many goddamn people there are. Anyway. We had to dip because the freaking beach was just covered with dead fish.
I got.
Bro, there's dead fish. There's actually like dead fish everywhere, man. There's like, oh my god. It might be blurry because I'm using an iPhone camera. But dog, the dead fish. Yeah, no, we live in. What am I saying? We live in. We've eaten. That's a big fish. That's a big fish. Dog. There's so much dead fish. Something ain't right. Something ain't right, dude. Oh, Diaz looks like an apocalypse. Not this. There was another part of the area that was a lot more apocalyptic. Bro, it's so pretty out here. It's actually so pretty. I don't know if I'm even able to see anything. But dog, it is pretty.